I asked AI to build me a full business in 10 minutes, and what it created shocked me. I gave it one rule: no fluff, just a real business I could launch today. In seconds, it analyzed trends and picked a niche: AI-powered digital planners for busy creators. Simple, scalable, zero inventory. Then it designed the product, a customizable planner that uses AI to organize your day automatically. AI built the pricing too: a free version to attract users and a 9-month premium tier for automation. Next, it created the brand: name, logo concept, color palette, even a tagline: "Your day, designed by AI." Then it mapped out a full marketing strategy: TikTok tutorials, YouTube demos, and a landing page built with one prompt. And finally, it gave me a 7-day launch roadmap, including content ideas, email scripts, and growth loops, all in under 10 minutes. A complete business blueprint, from idea to launch. If you want me to actually build this business on camera, tell me. AI is changing everything, and this is just the beginning.